Hello, scientists. So I wanted to show you how to set up the gas station pump lab using Pivot Interactives. So from Canvas, you should be able to access the lab. If not, you may have to go to pivotinteractives.com and sign in that way after you have already logged on to Canvas. Going down, you're going to see a video right in here. And you can use this scrub bar here to fast forward it to where you would like it to be, or just play through that video. Now I'm gonna leave it just at this point right here. Now going down, I can see that I have a data table. Now with pumping gas, there's a couple of things that you can collect. You can collect the total sale, and you can also collect the information for gallons that we have. By clicking on this toolbar up here, you can also get the stopwatch feature. And I can move that to where I would like it and even reset it so it starts when my gas starts to pump, okay? Now, so I have 3 pieces of information that I could potentially get from this data video. So if I go down here to column name, I want to name that. Oops, I just have to click on the word column name. And I'm going to add that as total sale. Okay. Now my units are going to be just in dollars right here. Okay. My next column in here, I'm going to collect the gallons. Now gallons is actually the unit. And so that's the volume of gasoline. So I can type in here volume would be the actual label, volume of gas. The units would be gallons, right? Now, if I click on these 3 dots right over here, I can get another data table. So I want to insert a column to the right. And let's say I just wanted to call that time. My units are going to be in seconds there, right? Now I can either play the video and stop it, or I can use this step feature, all right? Now, when I step it to when it actually starts collecting gas, okay, I start to see the numbers change here. Now, again, you can reset the stopwatch anytime when it's starting to pump gas. So I'm gonna just see where it started going to 0. Nope. Apparently it stays there for a little while, okay? So I'm going to go back to where it says 0. Oh, it started. I think this might, I went a little too far, okay? In order for me to get my information. But either way, there we go. All right. So I start with my first data set. I have a total sale of 0, volume of gas, 0, time, 0. Okay. Now I can go through and collect the rest of my data. Now again, you can use the play, start and stop. That I have, my sale is 0.15, right in here, 0.15. My gallons, 0.054. And then my time was a little off, but that's okay right now, 1.97, all right? And when you do that, a graph or the points should start to be plotted in here. All right, maybe I need another data set. And so now I have 0.31. And then I have my gallons is 0.111. And my time, 3.07. Okay. Oh, I guess I have to tell my graph what I wanted to graph it. All right. And again, you should be collecting probably at least 5 data points. So again, 0.5. I'm going to collect it just so that I can show you the line. 0.187. And then finally my stopwatch at 4.53. Okay. All right. So now I have my data. And I guess I have to tell my graph what I am interested in. Okay. So you need to think on your x-axis, that is what you are controlling. So it looked like we were controlling time and also how much volume of gas that we had in it, all right? How much we had in there. So I'm going to put volume of gas. And then my vertical axis here, again, what I'm interested in, the total sale for my dependent variable, right? And you have some lines that start to appear, okay? And that's our data right there. And you can select anything on your X and Y axis that's appropriate. The other thing, when you click on it, do not have any uncertainty. It just adds some extra lines that we don't have to deal with right now. Now, to create your line, you're going to go up here to this gear icon and click on it. And I want to tell it to have a curve fit. Now, I realize this is not curve, but this will give me some different equations I can look at. So for the curve fit, click on it. And I'm going to make this linear curved fit. There's some other options there, but this is going to fit a linear curved fit. So I have y equals ax plus b. And so this program uses a for the slope instead of the traditional y. And then I hit done. And now my line has appeared. Now, if I go down, this is the information that I need for the line that we have. All right. Now, if you have any other questions, send me an email, but you're going to then write in what your y equals mx or ax plus b should be in variable form, and then answer the rest of the questions. Thanks for listening.